What up, y'all? Gozy here, and welcome back to the channel. I have behind me here the infamous Hellcat from a couple videos ago. If you haven't seen it, please go watch it. So I caught him slipping last time. We ran it and he wasn't on tires. So both runs he spun. The first run I let off, the second one I just kept going. So he's back today. He's on tires and it's looking pretty fucking mean. Alright, so it's getting a lot of attention. Almost feels like a setup. Like they know something that I don't know. So maybe he pull it down or something, but I feel like it's gonna be a good run. Should be a good run. He's either gonna fucking put a train on me or we'll see. One thing I would say though is it's 55, maybe 50 degrees tonight. It is kind of brisk, so hopefully I don't have any traction issues. Hopefully he doesn't as well. As you can see, we're both on tires. I'm over there, and yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. Should be a good run. Should be a good run. Definitely two of the fastest cars out here on this lot tonight. So.
There she is. This brings back memories, man.
Oh.
What dude, I didn't go down.
Did you say he
They'll spec everything. Literally. Then you get that too.
So did I, but I raised it up. I put the two little spaces in the bottom. I'll just give you my fucking tank then, and you can have fun with it. But the EMP one, fucking actually on back order. That's why, because my shit.
Alright, so spoke to the driver and he is confirming that the car does pull to the right. So he's asking me if he can be on my right. I have my GoPro mounted to the left, so I probably won't be getting any GoPro footage of it, but should have some chase cars that should get a good angle of it. Alright, so I'm gonna have the GoPro facing forward. It'll be facing to my right, where the car is gonna be, where the charger is gonna be. Let's see if those tires make a difference. Scratch that. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna have the GoPro in my mouth for the run with the charger. See how that perspective goes. home now. So I ended up spending all 3 runs, but either way, Hellcat, pretty fast car. It's pretty well built. Spoke to him and it's making north of 1100. So I think the vet did pretty well. The first one looked like I was gaining on him. The second one was a wash, and then the third one, it looked like he was kind of pulling away. I would like to see a third go at it, but it probably won't be on this block. It'll probably be on the built block. I'm gonna pull it down as well, up the PSI, and you know, make a little bit more power and see what it does. But for roughly 800-ish, maybe a little bit more, she's definitely doing a decent job. I appreciate y'all for tuning in, for liking, for sharing, for commenting, for viewing, and really thanks for everything. All right, so thanks for all the love I do for y'all. I see y'all on the next video.